Evening student, today I am going to start the third part of the electric potential. So in this part I will discuss electric field versus the electric potentials and also discuss the electric potential energy. Okay, so before the start the discussion, so I will be request to you watch the full video and subscribe, share and like this video. Okay, thank you. So now the first of all, what electric field versus electric potential. Okay, so electric field also defined as as electric field as defined gradient of electric potential. So what is the meaning of gradient? So here the gradient of electric potential, that means when you draw the graph in versus potential versus R, so that means potential depend upon distance from the charge. And I already told in previous lecture, when this is the Q, we are going to find potential at R. So that means what we write here, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R. So here what VA is inversely proportional to R, that means potential depend upon R. So like this one. Okay, so if you how can find the here the gradient at R equal to, let R equal to R. So obviously we will find the slope at this point. So it will give the what? It will give the slope, give you the gradient of slope, will give the gradient of electric potential. So gradient is nothing, just is a slope where potential versus R graph. Okay, so that means dV by dr is the what? Potential gradient or electric potential gradient. Okay, so nothing, gradient means again I am telling dV by dr. Okay, so now I am going to prove here relation established in electric field and electric potential. Okay, so now we consider a charge here plus Q charge left at point A. Now and consider 2 points A and B. Okay, so we consider, okay, let at the potential at A, the potential at A, we consider B and consider, okay, after the potential at B, consider B minus dV. Okay, so let this distance is a very small distance. Okay, so the work done by an external is from B to A, so very small. So obviously the potential difference here is small, that is dV. Okay, so when it will potential is VA, so potential at B is what? V minus dV. Acha, the one thing, the potential at A is higher greater than potential at B. Why? Because this A point is near of the positive charge, so that cause the potential at A is greater than potential at B. Okay, so now you can think by another way, when you consider a unit positive charge at infinite, okay, or as a test charge, when you bring this charge from infinite to A or infinite to B, so which work done having the more? Obviously this work done having is more, so that means potential at point is A is greater than potential at B. Okay, so now, okay, so here VA greater than VB, so we consider potential at point A is V and potential at point B is equal to V minus dV. Okay, so now due to this charge, obviously there is a electric field away from the positive charge. Already discussed, electric field due to positive charge, always it will away from the charge, positive charge. Okay, so now if you consider at point B, let another Q naught charge consider at point B, consider charge at point Q charge consider at point B, that is very small charge. Okay, so now the force on the charge Q naught is what? Q naught E. Okay, because it's a positive charge, the direction of force it will in the direction of electric field. So here is F equal to Q naught E. Okay, so now after then you write dW equal to, when you this charge bring from B to A, okay, so you can write dW equal to minus F dr. Why? Because the direction of it will go in this direction, and the charge bring from B to A, so that is both are in opposite direction. So after all you can write here minus MD F dr. Okay, cos 180 minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, so after then integrate, so you can write minus F equal to what? Q naught E into dr. So after then you can write dW by Q naught equal to minus E into dr. Okay, so here the work done, this work done is what? When a charge bring from B to A, okay, per unit charge. So it is the what? It is the potential between B to A. So what is the potential difference? This is the potential difference between B to A, because this work done from bring charge from B to A. So this is the what? This whole term is the what? Potential between A and A. This is give the potential difference. So whatever the potential at A is B minus dV. So it will minus E dr. So after then you can write V minus B plus dV equal to minus E into dr. So after all VV cancel, so dV by, okay, dr minus of E, this it will what? The relation between electric field and the electric potential, that will here what? Already electric field is defined is negative gradient of electric potential. Okay, so electric field is defined as negative gradient of electric potential. Okay, so now after them you can pause the video and you can write all these things. Okay, so here the what? E become E equal to minus dV by dr. That means it will what? It will represent negative potential, negative gradient of electric potential. So that represent electric field. So what is the here negative sign? Negative sign here. So here in the direction of electric field, in the direction of electric field, okay, the potential will be decreased. The potential be decreases. Potential will be decreases. Okay, so that means what? So now I am going to explain. Okay, so let me consider two electric plate charge. Let me consider one electric plate charge is a positive plate charge. Okay, so another electric plate charge we consider negative charge. Okay, so we don't know, let me consider V1 and this V2. So we don't know which have the higher potential, which have the lower potential. Okay, so we know that what is the direction of electric field. So we know that electric field direction from positive charge to negative charge. Okay, so here the electric field is the what? Negative gradient potential. So that means negative sign. So in the direction of electric field the potential will decreases. So it's a what? It's a electric field direction, so it will go, the potential will decreases. So here the V2 is less than with respect to V1. So obviously V1 is the higher potential with respect to V2. So positive charge plate is a higher potential with respect to negative charge. Okay, so negative charge is lower potential and positive charge is higher potential. Okay, and if you consider the thickness or distance between two plates is d, so what is the electric field you can write? If you represent V1 is this potential and this one is the V2, so potential difference is what? V1 minus V2. V1 is the higher potential and V2 is the lower potential. So here you can write electric field is what? the potential difference V1 minus V2 divided by d. So it will give the what? Volt per meter. Okay, so it will give the electric field strength. Okay. Okay, so now after then you can also derive you can also establish the in another way in the physical quantity electric field and versus electric potential. So we know that B equal to what, q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. Okay, so from here we can verify this relationship with the help of this one. So we know that potential at r distance from the point charge, so that we can write q by 4 pi epsilon naught r. So after then you will find dv by dr, so it will, okay, differentiate this one, q by 4 pi epsilon naught r by dr. So q by 4 pi epsilon naught is constant, so it will become outside of differentiation, so 1 by r dr. So differentiation of this one, it will become what, minus 1 by r square. So this way it will give minus q 4 pi epsilon naught r square. So if you find minus dv by dr, so it will give to minus of minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. So it will give what, q by 4 pi epsilon naught r square. So that it will give what, electric field strength at the same point at a distance r due to the point charge q. Okay, so you can verify it from here. Okay, so now after then we are going to discuss, okay, equipotential surface. What is the equipotential surface? Then after then I will discuss the electric potential energy. Okay, so now, so very important, okay, for board exam, equipotential surface. So what is the equipotential surface? Equipotential surface. Eq means same, potential already known. Okay, so equipotential surface, any surface or any region where electric potential is same everywhere is called equipotential surface. Understood? Any surface or any region where the electric potential throughout same everywhere is called equipotential surface. Let be consider q charge here. So let be consider r1 distance through, okay, r1 distance from here, r1 distance from here, r1 distance from here, r1 distance from here. Okay, so having the same potential, that is q by 4 pi epsilon naught r1. That means when you meet these all points, it will give a spherical, look like a spherical. Okay, so this is the what, this region is a equipotential surface. Similarly, when we will take r2 distance from this charge and r2 distance from this charge, again when you will meet this distance from the charge, so it will also have spherical, so it is the another equipotential surface. Okay, similarly we consider another, draw the another equipotential surface, that is we will take the distance r3 from the q. Okay, so now okay, we consider another equipotential surface. So let this potential be considered, let having the potential V1 throughout. Okay, and this equipotential surface will be considered V2 throughout. Okay, V3. So the V3 here, V3 here is also same V3, V3. Similarly, V2, again V2 is here, then also V2 is here, V2 is here. The potential throughout this region are same. So this is the equipotential surface, this is the another equipotential surface, this is the another equipotential surface. Okay, and now this is the what, direction of electric field. Direction of electric field, already told, the direction of electric field away from the positive charge. Okay, this is the what, direction of electric field. Okay, so now, okay, so these are up now here. So here what is the, is it clear, the equipotential surface definition? No, the surface or a region where the equipotential is same or are same everywhere, that is called equipotential surface. So now this equipotential surface here, V1, V2, V3, so which potential having high, So the point is near to the charge, that potential is very high, so that means V1 is greater than V2 greater than V3. Okay, so whatever, so how can how can find the electric field between two equipotential surface? So if the distance it will given, so distance is what, R2 minus R1, so you can write here electric field in between two equipotential surface V2 versus V2 in V1, so you can write what, V1 minus V2 divided by R2 minus R1. So it is what, it is the difference between what, it will give the electric field in between this equipotential surface. Okay, so now this is the one thing, and after then the important properties of equipotential surface. This is the very important. First of all, definition of equipotential surface, and after then properties of equipotential surface. So very easy, properties also very easy. So when any positive charge, when any charge on the equipotential surface, the work done will be 0. So already told, the potential is what, the work done on unit charge, work done per unit charge is called potential. Okay, so when I charge, let here A point, let here B point, when a charge move from here to here, if the potential difference between A and B, so this is the what, potential difference. So when you write Q dV, so here potential difference in the equipotential surface is 0, so work done on the equipotential charge by the moving charge on the equipotential charge is 0. Okay, so the number one property, when a charge move on a equipotential surface, then work done is what, 0. That means no work done by moving charge on equipotential surface. Okay, so number one, no work done by moving charge on equipotential surface. Why? Because potential difference on the equipotential surface is 0. So we can write what? Because dB equal to y, because dB equal to 0, so work done on equipotential surface whenever charge moving over there, that will 0. So number 2, okay, so electric field lines and line of force are everywhere at right angle, already shown in diagram, and electric field and equipotential surface and everywhere what, everywhere perpendicular to each other. So you can write the second property, the electric field of lines of forces, electric field of line of forces are perpendicular to the equipotential surface everywhere. Okay, so electric field line of forces perpendicular to the equipotential surface, everywhere, either here, either here. So everywhere what, equipotential surface and direction of electric field of lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay, and number third, equipotential surface are closer together where the electric field is stronger. Okay, so whenever if it will R1 R2 are more closer with respect to R2 R3, that means here the electric field is more stronger with here. So already told how. So electric field is what, the potential difference divided by what, distance between two equipotential surface, If distance between two equipotential surface is less, then that means what, higher electric field. Okay, so you can write equipotential surface are closer together where the electric field is stronger. Okay, so that means electric equipotential surface is closer if electric equipotential surface is closer, that is electric field is more stronger. If the equipotential surface is apart, that means where the electric field is weaker. Okay, so this is the third property of equipotential surface. And number 4, no two equipotential surface can intersect to each other. Okay, so never this equipotential surface to this never intersect to each other. This is the fourth property. Okay, is it clear? So after then I am going to discuss electric potential energy. If any problem you can comment here. Okay, so now after that equipotential energy. Equipotential energy, very easy. Equipotential energy, electric potential energy, electric potential energy, it is very easy. Electric potential energy. Okay, so what is the electric potential energy? Very simple. Electric potential energy, that means what? When a work done by an external agent, when a bring charge in region of electric field, or you can say against of electrostatic force by the field as acquired by the charge, is what? Potential energy. So let we consider here, we consider Q charge. Okay, let here the what? At a point we consider Q naught charge. Okay, so this charge bring from infinite to at point A. Let me consider this is the infinite point at A. So here obviously there is a work done by external agent, and by the applied the force by the external agent. Okay, so this work done external agent is acquire electric potential energy by the charge Q at point A. So you can write here कि work done by an external agent for bring a positive charge, bring a positive charge, okay, in region of electric field, or you can say in against of electrostatic force, okay, due to field, electric field, okay, against of electric force due to electric field is acquired by the charge is called electric potential. By the charge is called electric potential. So how can find the expression of electric potential? Very simple. So now let me consider again. This is the what? Distance dr. Okay, so now we can write here. So work done is what? Minus f dr. Why? Because the direction of force due to electrostatic force on the charge Q, that is what? It will direction of electric field. So that is, it will go in that direction, displacement is from infinite to A. So here you can write minus f dr. Okay, so work done equal to minus f dr, that is already, and why minus? Because direction of displacement towards the charge, and the direction of force is what? Is the direction of electric field. So we will write minus f dr. Okay, so both have the angle between displacement and force is 180 degrees, so cos 180, so minus f dr. Okay, so we don't know what is the electrostatic force at the infinite, so we know what is the electrostatic force at a point A. So you can write here what? Q by 4 pi epsilon naught by r square and dr. So we are going integrate from r to infinite. Okay, r to infinite. Okay, so we know that electric force is a what? Conservative force. Either, okay, if you write, let this one work done and this one let we consider bxt1. Okay, so let here we consider b infinite to a, or here consider a to infinite. So that means what? We can write b infinite to a plus work done a to infinite to g equal to 0. So when you write infinite to a, that means what? Negative of work done a to infinite. Okay, so I am going to find here a to infinite. Okay, so now after here we can write okay, integration of r square is what? 4 pi epsilon naught. So integration of r square, it will give what? Minus 1 by r. So you can write here r to infinite. So after all, minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught. So it's about 0 and plus 1 by r. So you can write minus q 4 pi epsilon naught r. So this is the work done. This is the work done from a to infinite. But we want to the work done where from infinite to a. So what you can write minus of work done a to infinite. So minus of minus q by 4 pi epsilon naught r, it will give q by q naught, sorry, q naught is the 4 pi epsilon naught r. So it is the what? It is the electric potential energy at point A. Okay, and where when charge q naught at point A. Okay, so this is the overall what electric potential. So now we are going to put electric potential by the system of charge. So when we consider, let we consider three charges, let q1, we consider here q2, let we consider q3. Okay, so so what is the electric potential of system, so all of system of charges. So how can find? We consider this distance, we consider r12, this distance consider r23, so this distance consider r13. So here the electric potential of the system of charges, electric potential of system of charges is what? If right here q1 q2 4 pi epsilon naught r12 plus, similarly you can write q1 q3 4 pi epsilon naught r13. Similarly you can write q2 q3 what 4 pi epsilon naught r23. This is the electric potential of a system of charges. Okay, so similarly if the four charges in system, okay, we consider four charges is let q1 q2 q3 q4. Okay, so let distance of all charges consecutive given, let q1, let here the distance is r12, let here r23, let here r34, let here r14. Okay, let here r13. So what is the electric potential due to the system of all charges? So you can write what? q1 q2 4 pi epsilon naught r12 plus again q1 q3 4 pi epsilon naught r13, and similarly q2 q3 4 pi epsilon naught r2 r3. Okay, similarly q4 q3 4 pi epsilon naught r34. Similarly you can write q1 q4 4 pi epsilon naught r14. Okay, so it is about a scalar quantity, so you can simple add the all electric potential energy, then you will get the electric potential of the system of the charges. Okay, so now after then potential energy due to dipole in electric field, potential energy due to dipole in electric field. Okay, so first of all we consider let if the minus q is the plus q. Okay, if it will rotate by theta, so what is the work done by the dipole? So obviously we know that what is the torque is there, P is sin theta, where P is the what? Dipole moment, already discussed in previous classes. So please go in previous classes, watch the full video and you will understand this one. Okay, so now after that we know that T work done when any dipole what rotate by theta, then you can write T dot T theta. Okay, so after that integrate this one. Okay, so now T is what? Pe sin theta, we consider 0 to theta. So now here P, what is the integration of sin theta? So we know that we have the minus cos theta 0 to theta. So here you can write P here minus cos theta plus cos 0. Okay, minus plus cos 0, cos 0 1. So here you can write P 1 minus cos theta. So here the work done by due to dipole, okay, work done by due to dipole in electric field, that is it will give this one. That means already told work done by the external agent. Okay, so here the work done by the external agent due to dipole is P1 minus cos theta, that is the electric potential due to dipole. Okay, so now there cases, case 1 if theta equal to 0, case 1 theta equal to 0, that means the potential dipole it will not rotate. So what is the work done? So here work done is what? Cos 0, that means 0, 1 minus 0, so work done is 0. Okay, and case 2 if theta equal to 90, matlab dipole if it will rotate by 90 degree, so work done is what? You can write here what? Cos 90 is what? 0, so you can write P. Okay, case 3rd if theta equal to 180 degree, that it will rotate, then it will rotate, okay, completely again 180 degree, matlab that means it will come here, become here, and it will here. So after then you can write work done is what? Cos 180 is minus 1, so minus plus, it will become twice of P. Okay, so here the potential energy due to dipole in electric field. Okay, if you understand everything, okay, so if you want to more number of problem on the base of electric potential and electric potential, so please give the comment. I will make a video on the make video by of the numericals on the basis of electric potential. Okay, thank you.